Yes, ready for dictation. Start. But it can pave the way for developing a more sustainable and strong banking system benefiting all stakeholders. Stop. The privatization of the PSBs is tantamount to selling the banks to private corporate, many of whom have defaulted on loans from the PSBs and will only reward crony capitalism. Stop. The privatization will also result in job losses, branch closures, and financial exclusion. Stop. The privatization will shrink employment opportunities for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes, since the private sector does not follow reservation policies for the weaker sections. Stop. The private sector banks concentrate on the more affluent sections of the population and the metropolitan oblique urban areas, leading to financial exclusion of weaker sections of the society, particularly in the rural areas. Stop. Public sector banks were taking banking to the rural areas and ensuring financial inclusion. Stop stanza. Bank unions have termed the privatization possess a bailout operation for corporate defaulters. Stop. Private sector is responsible for the huge bad loans. Stop. In fact, they should be punished for the crime. Stop. But the government is rewarding them by handing over the banks to private sector. Stop. The governance and management of PSBs has to improve. Stop. The way to do this was outlined by the P.J. Naik Committee, which recommended distancing between the government and top public sector appointments. Start. Everything the bank's board bureau was supposed to do but could not. Stop. Rather than blind privatization, PSBs can be made into a corporation like Life Insurance Corporation LIC. Stop. In general, fiscal deficit occurs when the total expenditures of the government exceed its revenue. Stop. The government takes various measures to reduce the fiscal deficit, such as increasing tax based revenue, reducing subsidies, disinvestment, etc. Stop. Downsizing of bureaucracy as well as selling oblique offloading the shares of public sector undertaking directly contributes to reduction in fiscal deficit. Stop. Without knowing the destination and the effect of FDI inflows, it is difficult to determine its actual impact on the fiscal deficit. Stop. Privatization of higher educational institutions may improve the situation, but its impact may not be effective in a reduction of fiscal deficit. Stanza. The objective of a macroeconomic policy is to prioritize the steady growth of the economy. Stop. In order to facilitate the steady growth of the economy, the government introduces various mechanisms and plans with a focused approach towards improving fiscal policy. Stop. The banking sector in India plays a huge role in the development of the economy, and the business activities of the sector have time and again boosted the growth of the economy. Stop. In the banking sector, the public sector banks start hereinafter referred to as PSB have been at the forefront of providing banking services to the remotest parts of the country, with numerous welfare schemes and benefits for its customers. Stop. The PSBs undertake different banking operations throughout the nation, with its focus on priority sector lending and providing aid through welfare schemes to the marginalized sector. Stop. Over.